Okay, it's exciting times because the engine is now finished. I'm very happy. I'm very happy the engine is finished at last. So it's taken about 5 months working on it, sort of quite regularly. So that's a complete strip down, refurbishment and rebuild. And well, let's have a look at the engine. I'm very pleased with it. Here it comes. I think we're probably going to have some uplifting music like they have like on the telly and that. So I think we need the same. So you have to excuse me for that, but I feel it. It needs that. Here it comes. Oh yes, look at that. Very pleased with that. There we go. All done, all dusted, all polished, all finished, all ready to go. Oh, very pleased. Yeah, it's all on. I just put the last thing I did, I just put the center exhaust manifold on, which simply just pushes in and then fits with 2 Allen screws. Oh yeah, all done, all polished up, all looking really good. I'm really very happy. Carbs looking good. Those new carbs do look good, and so I'm pleased with those. Yeah, there it is, all done well. I was going to say what's done to it. Well, you know what's been done to it if you've seen all the videos. So it's a complete and utter rebuild. Everything done. How much did it cost? Well, I have invoices for a little over £3,500. So that's just parts, just the cost of having it vapor blasted, the cost of the polishing, and then of course the cost of the engine work to have the valve guides fitted and so on, all the engineering work that needed doing, and the clutch being cut down and so on. So yeah, so that's just in terms of parts. That's not my labour, that's just parts and machine work that I can do, etc. So that's how much it costs, £3,500 just to do the engine. Of course we did have new carbs rather than refurbish them, but it wouldn't have made that much difference if we'd have just refurbished the carbs. Anyway, yeah, so does it go as good as it looks? Well, that is the $64,000 question, and hopefully before too long we'll find out when the engine goes back to its owner, because it's not mine, and they've just about finished restoring the cycle parts, the frame and the wheels and so on. And so this will be going in before too long, and then we'll find out how it goes, and hopefully I'll show you a video of the startup and of it running when that happens. I'm not sure, that might be a couple of months or whatever, but when it does happen I'll post a video, and we'll track its progress and see if there's any teething problems. Touch wood, there aren't, but you never know with an engine like this. There could be issues, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But for the moment I'm very happy, and yeah, I think it's a good job. I'm pleased, I'm proud with the work. I know that it's all been done right. I've not skimped, so I'm optimistic that it'll all go really well when it's back in the frame and so on. Anyway, there we go. What can I say? It's yeah, it's a beautiful engine, the T160 engine, and yeah, I think we've done it justice. There you go. Finally, just let me say thanks ever so much for watching the series, if you have watched it. I've enjoyed doing it. Hopefully you found the rebuild useful. Am I going to do another rebuild of a different engine? Possibly. At the moment I haven't got an engine to rebuild. So if I hear of one, a Commando or a Bombbill or whatever engine, then I'll probably have a go at building one. So if you know anyone who wants an engine rebuilt, you can put them in touch with me, and maybe we can sort something out. I don't know, but for now that's it. And next video I'll post on this sort of series will hopefully be the startup, and we'll catch up then. Anyway, thanks again, and bye for now.